Promo alert, promo alert, promo alert. Today is Who Let the Dogs Out? Listen, man. Promo alert today is Encrypted Frenchie Stash. They got the biggest dome in the Frenchie game, and his name is Crypto. Stud fee only $600. They out of Tampa, Florida. Little puppies due around Christmas. Puppies starting at $4K. Make sure y'all follow them on Instagram. Check them out. Y'all want the best litter in the game, right? What up, gang? I'm back with another video. I say I'm back with another video. Make sure you hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Yes, I said subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. It's free. Do it for me. What up, gang? I'm back with another video. Let's get straight into it, man. Before I get into the juicy stuff, what y'all came to really see, Thug's sister say that Thug was heartbroken. He was hurt when he found out that Gunna took the deal. That it was all over the internet. She said he was heartbroken. Here it go right here.
No, stop saying YSL, stop screaming it. I don't care if you sign or not. Just go on. We ain't with you. That's work for my brother and me. Yeah, my brother was sad when I told him. He been heard about. I mean, not he been knew. I went and see him Sunday, but he knew what had happened. But he didn't know that like it was all over the internet, and he didn't know that they recorded it. So when I shared that information with him, it just kind of like was a bummer. But I thought that somebody, whoever that he talked to, might have told him that already.
So, nigga, a lot of they mama, a lot of they kids, a lot of they brothers and sisters didn't get ready in the courtroom and tell the God honest truth.
Another thing. Thug lawyers, his lawyer kind of exposed and already knew. His lawyer kind of spoke on the situation with Gunna. He say the people that is cooperating is the ones that's taking deals. Gunna took a deal.
He's like the easy target. So if somebody gets arrested and gets in trouble and they want a deal, law enforcement officers are all too eager to say, well, tell us about Mr. Williams. Is he involved in this? What do you know about him? That's the problem with this case. It's coming from the word of people who are getting deals to say, yeah, he was there, or I saw him around, or he gave the order, or I heard from someone else he gave the order. That's what this case is about. You're not going to hear any confession of Jeffrey Williams.
This is so fucked up. I done already. Matter of fact, I'm going to play it right here. Check it out.
Whether or not you agree or acknowledge that statements are true, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I became affiliated with YSL around 2016. Is that true as it pertains to you, Mr. Kitchens?
Yes, ma'am.
YSL is a music label and a gang, and you have personal knowledge that members or associates of YSL have committed crimes in furtherance of the gang.
Yes, ma'am.
You were present when law enforcement officers stopped the vehicle in which you were present along with Jeffrey Williams, wherein hydrocodone, methamphetamines, and a firearm were recovered. These items did not belong to you.
Yes, ma'am.
And do you acknowledge the following statement? I recognize, accept, and deeply regret that my talent and music indirectly furthered YSL the gang to the detriment of my community. YSL as a gang must end. Is that your statement or acknowledgement?
Yes.
Also, if you don't know, Thug got a W yesterday in court, man. He walked in there looking happy. At one moment, he was looking sad, depressed. But at the end of the day, he got a W, man. The judge threw out everything from 2017. They had they illegally possessed his phone. You know what I'm saying? went in his house and took things with illegal search warrant. They got his phone. The information they got off his phone in 2017 and the stuff that they found in his house in 2017, they had to throw all that out. So he took a big win yesterday.
Asked for suppression of anything that was taken in the house. So marijuana and anything else that was the basis of that. So that's fruit of the poisonous tree. He's argued that all throughout his motion. He's argued that. And so Judge Newkirk, by implication, had to consider it as part of his ruling. So you're asking me to kind of, okay, well, the marijuana's over here, that's fine, but he didn't suppress the other stuff, we can still use it. That's not the way I interpret this particular scenario and interpret the law related to search and seizure of this particular item. Well, we don't want the state to go ahead and continue to keep investigating an individual based on evidence that a court has suppressed. So that's kind of where I am.
Your Honor, if I may.
Last but not least, I don't know if this was the DA or what, but these motherfuckers in here watching porn while the case is going on, man. Yes, they was watching porn in Young Thug case, man. Listen, I can't show the video right here, the whole video. Go to my Instagram. It's gonna be on my Instagram page, man. This gotta be a major disgrace. Hey, no wonder the judge walked off and was gone for a minute. Check it out right here. And last. This is an experienced criminal also speaking on the situation at hand, what Gunna just did. Check it out. Make sure you hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. It's free. Do it for me. Okay.
So do I think that the popular rapper Gunna is snitching? Before I answer that question, I have to make this clear. I spent most of my life in prison. I went there at 19. I came home at 40. Prison is not an environment where that term is taken lightly. It is very serious when you call somebody that, and you have to have documentation to back it up to prove it. With that said, I think that there is a high probability that he is snitching. Here's why. First, we have to understand the charge that he is locked up for, which is a RICO charge. RICO stands for Racketeering Influence Criminal Organizations Act, and it's basically saying that a group of people are moving in an organized fashion involved in criminal activity. So the first metric that the prosecution has to meet is proving that this group of people are a criminal organization. One of the things I learned from working in the law library is paying close attention to the language that is being used, because it matters a lot. Now listen to this statement that Gunna made.
This is what he said. And by the way, this came directly from court. He said, I recognize, accept, and deeply regret that my talent and music indirectly furthered YSL the gang to the detriment of my community. And then he said, YSL as a gang must end.
In that statement, he is acknowledging to the prosecution and the world that YSL is a gang and involved in criminal activity, which is a key component that the prosecution has to meet in order to get a guilty verdict for a RICO case. If you're not snitching, the line looks like this. We are not a gang. I don't know what y'all talking about. We just make music. All that other stuff y'all talking about is bullshit. That is not what Gunna is saying, and it does not look good.
It's my brother. Like, he signed to me, but it's like, it's not even about a signature. This my real brother. I used to have a gambling. He was my gambling buddy. His name is Troop. He gambled his life away, and he brought Gunna to me. Like, it's my little boys. I really raised them. Take them under your wings, make sure they okay. And he ended up passing, so I just had to really, you know what I'm saying, live up to what he told me to do. That Gunna been around me 6-7 years. He in some of my old videos, y'all won't even know it's him.
That relationship isn't artist, label owner. That's
I never received $1 from him. I recently learned that men's #1 cause of depression is environmental stress. Literally, that's the #1 cause, environmental stress. Meaning everything that we around and everything that we surround ourselves around, you know. So until we able to kind of evaluate who and what we got around us and change our environment, we not gonna allow ourselves to grow.
Promo alert. Listen, if you guys want promo, DM me on Instagram at Music101CEO. Music101CEO. I'm doing $20 promo. For $20, you will get 1 video promoted on my YouTube channel. For $40, I will promote 3 videos for you on my YouTube channel. $60, I'll promote 6 videos for you on my YouTube channel. And $120, I will promote 12 videos for you on my YouTube channel. You need YouTube promo? You trying to get your business up? You trying to run your numbers up? Hit me up at Music101 CEO. Hey, you don't want to miss it. The results is great.